Are you ready to transform your kitchen into a luxurious masterpiece? In 2025, the kitchen isn't just a place to cook, it's a space to make a statement. Whether you're updating your existing kitchen or designing a brand new one, choosing the right color is the first step toward creating an upscale, stylish space that oozes sophistication. In today's video, we're diving deep into the top 15 luxury kitchen colors that rich people are using in 2025. Get ready to take your kitchen from ordinary to extraordinary with these stunning hues that are setting the trend for the year. Let's get started. 1. Opulent Navy Blue. In 2025, one of the standout colors in luxury kitchen design is navy blue. This deep, dark shade of blue has a richness and sophistication that transforms any space into something truly elevated. Navy blue kitchens exude timeless elegance and are incredibly versatile, which is why they're a top choice for luxury homeowners. The deep tones of navy provide a serene, almost regal vibe to the kitchen, and its rich saturation pairs beautifully with a variety of other materials and hues. Whether used on the cabinetry, as an accent wall, or even as the color for the kitchen island, navy blue is able to make a strong statement while maintaining a sense of refinement. Pairing navy blue with metallic accents, particularly gold or brass, can further heighten the luxurious atmosphere. These metallic finishes, when combined with navy, evoke a sense of wealth and grandeur, perfect for those who want their kitchen to feel like a place of opulence. If you prefer a slightly more understated look, navy works wonderfully with lighter neutral tones such as whites, soft grays, or even warm taupe. This balance of dark and light creates an elegant, modern feel that stands the test of time. Navy blue is one of those colors that, no matter the style or era, never goes out of fashion. 2. Charcoal Gray. Another timeless, yet incredibly modern, color in 2025's luxury kitchen designs is charcoal gray. This dark, moody color has a depth and richness that lends an air of refinement to any space. Charcoal gray provides the perfect canvas for showcasing high-end appliances, sleek cabinetry, and intricate design details. The color is popular for kitchens that embrace minimalism, industrial design, and contemporary aesthetics, but it can also work beautifully in more classic, traditional kitchens that want to add a touch of sophistication. Charcoal gray is perfect for creating a high-end, cohesive feel, as it pairs so well with many other materials and finishes. Stainless steel appliances, for example, blend seamlessly into a charcoal gray kitchen, creating a polished, chic effect. For a bold contrast, you could also incorporate white marble or granite countertops with subtle veining for a luxurious touch. The dark tones of charcoal gray also allow for the addition of vibrant accent colors, such as emerald green, rich gold, or even bright white, which can really pop against the backdrop. The color is also relatively low maintenance, as its darker hue hides fingerprints and stains, making it a practical yet high-end option for busy kitchens. 3. Rich Forest Green. The luxurious and earthy tones of forest green have gained significant popularity in luxury kitchens for 2025. This rich, deep green hue is reminiscent of nature and has the power to bring a sense of calm, balance, and sophistication into a kitchen. Forest green is ideal for those who want a space that feels grounded, serene, and opulent at the same time. It blends beautifully with natural wood finishes, creating a rich, organic feel, especially when paired with oak or walnut cabinetry. This color has an inherent timelessness to it, giving your kitchen a sophisticated, classic look while embracing the warmth of nature. Forest green also works wonderfully with contrasting accents like gold or copper, which further enhance its luxurious quality. The color is striking enough to be used as a dominant shade for cabinets, islands, and backsplashes, but it can also be used sparingly for accent walls or fixtures. When paired with materials such as polished marble countertops, stone backsplashes, or even high-end porcelain tiles, the forest green creates a beautiful and serene atmosphere that feels elevated yet welcoming. For homeowners seeking an opulent, nature-inspired kitchen, this rich green is the perfect choice. 4. Black with matte finishes. Black is one of the most sophisticated and luxurious colors in interior design, and matte black is proving to be particularly trendy in 2025 kitchen designs. The appeal of matte black lies in its ability to evoke luxury while remaining understated. Unlike glossy black, which can sometimes appear too harsh or bold, matte black has a softer, more subtle quality that works particularly well for modern and contemporary kitchens. Its understated sophistication allows other design elements to take center stage, whether that be sleek countertops, high-end appliances, or premium light fixtures. Matte black cabinetry or even matte black appliances give the kitchen a sleek, polished look, and because of the matte finish, fingerprints and smudges are less noticeable, making it an excellent choice for maintaining a clean, modern kitchen. When paired with elements like brushed brass, chrome, or polished stainless steel, matte black offers a striking contrast that feels chic and contemporary. Moreover, the color pairs well with a range of materials, from glass and stone to natural wood, making it highly versatile for various design aesthetics. If you want to create a striking, luxurious, and modern kitchen space that feels timeless and sophisticated, matte black is an excellent choice. 5. Soft Taupe. Soft taupe is an elegant, neutral hue that continues to be a luxury kitchen color in 2025. This warm, beige gray tone creates a welcoming and calming atmosphere in the kitchen, making it perfect for spaces where you want to create a serene, sophisticated ambience. Taupe is incredibly versatile and works well with almost any other color, from soft whites to darker shades like charcoal gray or even navy blue. The versatility of taupe makes it a great backdrop for both traditional and modern kitchen designs. One of the key benefits of taupe is its ability to pair beautifully with natural materials like wood and stone, creating a seamless and cohesive look. For example, taupe cabinetry combined with warm wood accents or a marble countertop creates a soft yet luxurious atmosphere. Soft taupe also pairs beautifully with metallic elements like brushed gold, which adds an additional layer of refinement to the space. Whether you're going for a classic, timeless design or a more contemporary, sleek look, taupe is the perfect neutral to make the space feel sophisticated and inviting. 6. Emerald Green. Emerald green is undoubtedly one of the most striking and luxurious colors in kitchen design for 2025. Its vibrant, jewel-toned richness adds a level of drama and opulence to the kitchen that few other colors can match. Emerald green is the perfect choice for homeowners looking to make a bold statement in their kitchen while still maintaining an air of sophistication. This jewel tone is particularly well suited to high-end cabinetry, kitchen islands, and even feature walls, where it can stand out without feeling overbearing. Emerald green pairs exceptionally well with gold, brass, or copper accents, which bring out the richness and depth of the color. When paired with luxurious materials such as marble or quartz countertops, emerald green creates a truly elegant space. The color also works well with natural wood tones, providing a balanced contrast that doesn't overpower the space. For those who want to create a high-impact, luxurious kitchen design, emerald green is a color that will definitely turn heads while still maintaining a sense of refined elegance. 7. Warm Beige. Warm beige is another neutral tone that continues to reign supreme in luxury kitchens for 2025. This soft, earthy color exudes warmth and sophistication, creating a calming and inviting atmosphere in the kitchen. Beige is ideal for those who prefer a more understated, classic elegance rather than bold, dramatic statements. Its warmth makes it perfect for pairing with natural materials such as wood, marble, and stone, all of which contribute to creating a high-end, luxurious environment. Warm beige is especially effective in kitchens with ample natural light, as it reflects light beautifully, making the space feel larger and more open. It's an ideal color for cabinetry and walls, as it allows other design elements, like countertops, flooring, and hardware, to take center stage. For metallic accents, gold, bronze, or polished chrome work exceptionally well with warm beige, adding a touch of luxury and refinement. Whether you are designing a modern, minimalist kitchen or one with more traditional undertones, warm beige remains a timeless choice for luxury kitchen spaces. 8. Platinum Gray. In 2025, platinum gray has emerged as a sophisticated and chic choice for kitchen design. This cool, silvery shade of gray offers a refined, luxurious feel that works beautifully in contemporary, minimalist, and even futuristic kitchen designs. Platinum gray is often used for high-end cabinetry, countertops, and backsplashes, providing a sleek, polished appearance that complements other high-end materials like glass, stainless steel, and marble. The cool undertones of platinum gray create a calm and serene atmosphere, while the reflective finish enhances the natural light in the kitchen, making it feel open and airy. The metallic sheen of platinum gray also makes it an ideal companion to other luxury materials, such as polished chrome and silver fixtures. To create a balanced and cohesive kitchen design, platinum gray can be paired with black or darker tones, adding depth and contrast, or with warmer materials like wood to add a sense of natural warmth to the space. 9. Ivory White. Ivory white is the epitome of luxury in kitchen design, and its popularity continues to grow in 2025. This soft, creamy white color offers an elegant and sophisticated backdrop for any kitchen, creating a sense of freshness and openness. Unlike stark white, ivory has a warmer, softer feel that makes the space feel more inviting and comforting. Ivory white works beautifully with a variety of materials, from sleek glass and polished marble to rich wood and warm metals. One of the best features of ivory white is its ability to make the kitchen feel expansive and airy, especially when paired with large windows or open shelving. The color also complements a wide range of metallic accents, from brushed gold to polished chrome, which elevate the overall design. Whether you want a more traditional or contemporary kitchen, ivory white is a versatile and timeless color that will always exude luxury and sophistication. 10. Burnished Copper. Burnished copper has become a top metallic color choice for luxury kitchens in 2025, and for good reason. This warm, reddish-brown metal tone exudes an old-world charm that feels both luxurious and vintage. When used in the right context, burnished copper can elevate the space and add an unexpected, rich touch to the kitchen. It's especially popular for statement pieces like backsplashes, lighting fixtures, and faucets, creating an instant focal point that draws attention without being too overwhelming. Burnished copper pairs beautifully with both light and dark colors, making it a versatile choice for many different kitchen styles. It works especially well with natural wood tones, adding warmth and texture to the space. When combined with darker colors, such as navy blue, charcoal gray, or even black, the copper accents shine through and create a striking, upscale design. For a truly luxurious kitchen, burnished copper offers the perfect balance of opulence and warmth. 11. Warm Walnut Brown. Walnut brown, particularly in its darker, rich tones, has become a go-to color for luxury kitchens. The deep, earthy tones of walnut would lend the kitchen a timeless, sophisticated feel, making it a popular choice for cabinetry, flooring, and accents. Walnut's intricate grain patterns and rich hues contribute to a warm, inviting atmosphere, creating a space that feels both luxurious and grounded. This color is perfect for blending natural materials with modern design. For example, walnut cabinetry works beautifully with white or light-colored countertops to create a striking contrast that still feels cohesive and balanced. Walnut also pairs wonderfully with gold or brass accents, adding an additional layer of luxury to the space. If you are looking for a kitchen color that is both elegant and practical, warm walnut brown is the ideal choice. 12. Shades of Blush Pink. Blush pink has emerged as an unexpected but undeniably luxurious color in the world of kitchen design for 2025. This soft, muted hue brings a sense of warmth and sophistication to the kitchen without being overpowering. Blush pink works particularly well in high-end kitchens that want to create an atmosphere of refinement and elegance while embracing a touch of softness. This color can be used in a variety of ways, from cabinetry and backsplashes to smaller details like kitchen islands or accessories. When paired with natural materials such as wood or marble, blush pink creates a delicate, balanced look that feels fresh and modern. For those who want to add a bit of glamour to their kitchen, blush pink also pairs beautifully with metallic finishes like rose gold and brass, which enhance the color's subtle warmth and elegance. 13. Bright Metallic Silver. Bright metallic silver continues to gain popularity in luxury kitchen design, offering a cool, contemporary vibe that instantly elevates the space. Silver is perfect for those who want a futuristic, sleek look with a touch of luxury. Its reflective quality helps enhance natural light in the kitchen, creating a bright, airy atmosphere that feels spacious and open. Silver is often used in high-end appliances, cabinet hardware, and even countertops, providing a chic, modern finish that contrasts beautifully with darker tones like charcoal gray or black. This metallic color also pairs well with stone materials like marble and quartz, offering a high shine, sophisticated contrast. If you want to create a luxury kitchen with a distinctly modern feel, bright metallic silver is an ideal choice. 14. Antique gold. Antique gold is a color that brings warmth and richness to luxury kitchen designs in 2025. Unlike bright yellow gold, antique gold has a more subdued, vintage look that pairs beautifully with both modern and traditional kitchen styles. It's perfect for accent pieces like cabinet hardware, light fixtures, and backsplashes, where it adds a touch of elegance without feeling too opulent. The warmth of antique gold complements a wide variety of other materials, particularly darker shades like forest green, deep blue, or charcoal gray. It also pairs beautifully with natural materials like wood and stone, adding a regal and refined touch to the space. If you want to add a sophisticated, luxurious flair to your kitchen, antique gold is the perfect choice. 15. Smoky lavender. Smoky lavender is a luxurious, muted purple that continues to gain traction in luxury kitchen design. Its soft, cool tones create an elegant atmosphere that feels both calming and refined. Smoky lavender works wonderfully as an accent color, whether on cabinetry, backsplashes, or kitchen islands, creating a unique, sophisticated look without being too bold or overpowering. When paired with materials like white marble, light wood, or polished stainless steel, smoky lavender creates a balanced and elegant aesthetic. It also pairs beautifully with metals like rose gold and antique brass, which further enhance the richness of the color. Smoky lavender offers a subtle yet luxurious alternative to more traditional kitchen colors, making it a perfect choice for those looking to add a bit of unique elegance to their space. And that wraps up our journey through the top 15 luxury kitchen colors that are defining 2025. From the timeless elegance of opulent navy blue to the subtle sophistication of smoky lavender, these colors prove that your kitchen can be more than just a functional space. It can be a true masterpiece of style and design. Whether you're planning a full kitchen makeover or just looking to refresh your space with a few accents, these stunning hues are sure to elevate your home and leave a lasting impression. Don't forget, the right color combination can transform your kitchen into a place of opulence, warmth, and timeless charm. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest design inspirations and tips. Let us know in the comments which color you're most excited to try, and as always, thank you for watching. Until next time, happy designing!